All right. The first step to creating a neural network is we have to create a window so we can see what we're doing. Okay, so I'm using Visual Studio 2022 here. So that's because I'm going to be using CUDA later. So Visual Studio is the only thing that can work CUDA. Well, that's the only thing I can do it very easily. So I've never actually used this program before, so I'm gonna have to learn a few things right now. Okay, we will create a new project. Windows desktop application. I already have CUDA installed, so we don't have to worry about that one. Windows desktop application, Windows project 1, that's good enough. And it gives us a lot of strange code. This is gonna be a problem later because there's way too much stuff here. If we had to deal with all this every single time we change something, it would just be too complicated. So let's just see what it does. We just build. Okay, it's what it does. It creates a blank window with some menus. We actually don't need all these menus, so exit program. Okay, now we add a new text file. Add new item. C++ file. Oh, wait, source 1. Source. I should have renamed it, but that doesn't really matter. Okay, now we're gonna copy all this into this, but we have to simplify it. It's something that we can actually use. First, the main function. There's lots of functions you have to copy, so let's start with the main function. Okay, return 1. Okay, we need to include Windows. Windows.h. Okay, so remove the old file. Just remove, but keep it in the project. Okay, keep it in project. Okay, it's still here. Okay, keep it in project. Just make sure everything works. Save and run. It should work, but it should do nothing. Okay, it works. Yeah, it run. It didn't do anything. It just returned immediately. So now let's start copying. Okay, what do we need? Well, step 1 is we don't need load string. Register class. Okay, register class. We need to register a class. Copy all the class stuff. But to make everything easier, we have to create a lot of functions. I'm going to create a substitute for classes, but not actually classes because I want to keep it simple. Type def structure type window. Okay, type window. What does our window need? HWND window handle. Okay, we got window handle. Okay, what else? Window. Oh, running. Okay, we need running. Running is just so when we close the program, we can let the main function know that the program is closed, so it can stop running. Is the program still running? That's what it means. Okay, now for create window, long type window create. Okay, we need a few parameters here. Okay, so which one do we need? Well, okay, we definitely need each instance. Okay, move. Oh yeah, also we need the type window. That's the equivalent of this pointer. When we're creating classes, we always need a pointer to the actual object that we're using. Okay, parent. Parent is just my name for this pointer. And what else do we need? The window procedure. WND WNDBROC. If we need to know anything, we have the documentation open. Okay, window probe. Okay, what else do we need? Okay, oh, we already copied it. Copy class ex paste. Okay, So okay, so we have all this, so we need to copy everything into this window procedure. This load icon. What kind of icon do we need? Yeah, null. Null. Okay, I'm gonna read off the Microsoft documentations. Okay, this is from the Microsoft documentations. I'm reading from there. Then okay, yeah. Okay, whatever. Okay, load icon. It's null. What's the best thing? It's IDI application. IDI application. Okay, IDI application. Okay, that's the basic icon. Let's copy it down here. Copy, paste. Okay, IDI application. The kind of thing menu name. We don't need a menu, do we? Oh, the menu name is null. Okay, what else? Brush, color window, cursor, IDC arrow, null. I prefer to look at it that way. Okay, window class. Okay, we need something like Windows const. Okay, that's the one thing I recently learned. I really don't like Visual Studio. Like, it really doesn't work the way I think it should. wchar CHAAR. Is it wchar? Oh yeah, wchar window class. I like to keep everything looking similar so we don't get really confused later. And okay, this is the reason why I don't like Visual Studio at all. It forces you to use white characters, and I don't like using white characters at all. Okay, window class. What do we call it? Okay, window class. Window class. Okay. Okay, window class. Okay, the window class string. Okay, if register class equals 0, if we, what does register class return? Let me check. Wait, let me check. Okay, I'm back. Register class just returns, I don't know, just we have to do if not register class. If not register class, meaning if there's an error, we just return 0. Okay, okay. Now that we register the class, what else do we do? There's register class. Oh yeah, we have to create a window. Okay, we have to create the window. Copy and paste. HWND. Okay, create window. Okay, window class. That's the class name. Okay, window title. We need a window title. I forgot about that. Window title. It's just a default title. I don't want to give it a new title every single time. So a title, default title, window title. Default title. Okay, what else? Oh yeah, window title. Window title. Overlap window. Oh, that's something else I forgot before. WS visible. You need to set the windows to visible, otherwise it just won't show up at all. I made that mistake a lot of times. Okay, window visible. CW is default. CW is default. Okay, null. Okay, null. I just preferred for everything to look the same. Again, we need to do this just to keep everything simple because things are going to get very complicated later. If not HWND, return 0. Oh, there's something else I forgot. Keep everything here. Part of it, okay. If parent equals 0, that's for type safety. Return 0. Okay, we have to check that because otherwise we're just getting an error later. Okay, parent dot window handle. Okay, window handle equals HWND. Parent dot running equals 1, as in true. Return 1. return 1. Okay. Okay. That's the first step. Type window create. What else do we need? Okay. Window procedure. No, that part doesn't work. The window loop, the get message loop. This is an important part of type window long type window get event. I prefer get event to get message. That's just a personal preference. You can call it whatever you want. Okay, type window. What else? Parent. Okay. We're just copying and pasting here. If get message. Okay, what is? Oh, I forgot something. Oh, MSG. We need the message class, the message structure. If get message MSG. Yeah, null. No translate accelerator. I don't need that. I don't know what that says. If get message return 0. Dispatch message. Okay, return parent dot running. Return if the window is still active, we return parent dot running. Okay, we have to check if parent equals 0, return 0. Okay. Advanced format document. Okay, good. Let's just make sure everything was good. Okay. On top of get event, we're going to have a second function, peak event. So if we're going to do animation, we need to be able to check if there's a message and return immediately, because get event will only return if it finds a message. If it has no message, it will simply wait for a message to show up, and that's really not good if we're doing animation. Okay, get event is peak message. Okay, I forgot what peak message does, so I'm gonna check it. Check it on documentation. Okay, peak event. Peak message. Message will move. PM will move. PM no. Okay, PM will move. Okay, I got it. Okay, peak event. It's just a copy of get event, and then we replace get message with peak message. Okay, PM no remove. Okay, PM no remove. That's the right one. Okay, so everything else is just the same. Okay, and the last one, we have copy and paste. I think it's the last one. If okay, destroy window. We have to destroy the window. This type window destroy. Okay, what's the function called? This destroy window. Destroy window. Yeah, destroy window. Parent dot window handle. Once we destroy something, we have to set everything to 0. So let's just save time by copying and pasting here. This lets everything know that set the window handle to 0, run into 0, and then return 1. Okay, where are we? Okay, set everything to 0 and then return 1. Okay, making progress here. Okay, we have create window, peak event, get event, and then let's just make sure. Okay, the whole point of this is simplify everything. So if this works, we have ourselves a class. Okay, peak event and destroy window. This is all we need right now. There's probably more to it than that. Okay. Got split screen. Okay, what else do we need? Okay, let's read this and figure out what else. Oh, yes. the most important part, the window procedure. We need that. Yeah, put it on the bottom. That's just a style thing. Okay, we don't need commands. We don't need paint. We just need destroy. Also, we also need the default procedure, def window pro. Okay, let's go change the name. Window pro. Window pro again. Destroy. Okay, type window destroy and window. It's a pointer to window. Not break. We turn 0. We turn. Is it we turn 0 or we turn 1? Oh, wait, I have to check again. Okay. We after every message we have to return, I think 0, right? Yeah, 0. Okay, after every message we have to return 0. Okay. But we still need to everything. Okay, we have to create a function prototype here just to make sure everything. Okay, type window. We need a window. We need a window object. Okay, type window create. Okay, type window create and window each instance and window pro. Okay. Okay, while type window get event and window. We do nothing. And I think we're there. Okay, but okay, the whole point is to take all this code right here and then translate it into just this little bit right here. So, but we still have okay, just ignore. So that way you only have to worry about this little part right here, and the rest we can just ignore for now. Just encapsulate everything. But before we do that, we have to make sure everything works. So build. Did we make a mistake? Did we forget something? And it works. And it works. See everything, it works. We have ourselves our blank window with window title, which is not very useful, but okay, so we have to encapsulate everything further because by putting that in a separate file so that we don't have to look at it. Okay, new file. New file. Header file. Okay, pragma once. I don't like pragma once. That would work, but I don't like it. Okay, if and def. Okay, if and def type window. The h define. Oh no, if and def, not if def. If and def. What? Ah, if and def. No, that's a typo. And if. And the if slash. That way we know everything is okay. Okay, type window. Okay, Gabros. Okay, if and def type window. Okay, we have to copy all this code from here to there. Okay, where is it? Oh, there it is. Cut and paste. Hopefully everything's working. Okay, so we have taken all this code and save, include. Type window. Okay, that's step 1. So this is part 1. We taken all this code right here and then compress it down to this little bit right here. And this is going to be important for later because there's going to be a lot of really complicated code coming up. So That's just lesson number one. Just make sure to reduce everything as much as possible because things can get very, very complicated. So we only need to look at this top part right here and we can ignore everything else. So that's part one. Okay, make sure that it all works. And it works. Here we have a window title and everything works. Okay, that's part one. We reduce code to just the bare minimum. Okay, next time we're gonna do a bitmap, and then after that we start with the neural network part.